Testing the equipment with an iComfort S30 is also very simple and straightforward. Again, click on the icon in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the Settings button. Log in to the Advanced Settings. Click on View the Dealer Control Center. Click on Proceed. And now we'll simply click the Test icon right above the Dealer Control Center. The first process in this example, since we're using zoning, is to set up the airflow that we want to test with. If we needed to make any changes, we could to each individual zone simply by hitting the plus or minus icons and increasing or decreasing the airflow for that mode of operation. Then we click Continue. When we first reach this screen, you'll notice that all the tests are selected. If we hit Start Tests Now, we'll sequentially go through each individual test. But if we wanted to test simply one aspect of the system or one component, we could deselect all and then select the mode of operation we wish to test. So let's test cooling maximum rate. The check indicates it's selected. We'll hit Start Tests, and it'll bring us to a screen that'll show us a lot of pertinent information for us to review. As the system comes up to speed, we can see if the short cycle delay is active. We can see that our cooling rate is at 100%. We can see our heating rate, the compressor shift delay, defrost status, what mode the reversing valve is in, the condition of the safety switches, liquid line temperature, ambient temperature, the coil temperature, runtime since last defrost, the temperature the control will defrost at, the outdoor fan RPM, the compressor hertz, the inverter temperature, the voltage, the inverter current, the compressor current, blower CFM demand, indoor blower RPM, the amount of power the indoor blower is consuming. If we were in the heating mode, we could even measure the microamps of the flame sensor. We can look at outdoor temperatures. We can look at line voltages for both the furnace, the condenser, or the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. The position of the safety switches, the position of all the relays on the board can all be viewed right through the test mode. While the unit is in test, we'll be able to hook up our gauges and do any equipment tests we want to do physically, and it'll stay in the test mode until we click Done and we back out of the test screens.